Hello everyone, welcome to the daily level of object-oriented programming basic concepts in C++. So today we will discuss about this pointer. Now first of all, this pointer in the letter this is in the lowercase, but due to the styling of the template, this is automatically converted to uppercase. So this pointer is not too much important concept, but you should learn this pointer. First of all, I am requesting you to watch the previous video where I've shown to implement the getter or setter for getter and setter function. So in this class also, first of all, I have implemented the setter and then the getter function. The setter function sets the value of row and the getter function prints the row. And in main function, I have called the set role and get role, and I want to display the role. But see what happens if I run the program. Uh, See, this is a large value, but our goal is 45. So why this value is entered? If we run away, then I see the same value. But why? Because I have a big error in the code, which is in the set role function, the role, the parameter is as the same as the data member name. So it will give unwanted values. But if we want to give the same name, yes, obviously we can ignore the problem by writing the role to or anything which is different from the data member name, and if we run, then obviously we get the value 45. But suppose you are in a commitment that you will use the name role only. You can't use the other name. So what can you do? Simply we will use the this pointer. Now how to use the this pointer? Let's see. Simply we will use the dot operation. Now this dot. Okay. So this dot. Sorry, this dot. Sorry, this and operation. This role equals to role. Now the role which is after this is the role which is declared in the class, means the data member. You can see the highlighted part, and this row, the second row, is the parameter. And if we run the code now, then we can see no error. So this is basically a pointer. Pointer of what? Pointer to the current object. Pointer to the current object of the class. Simply, similarly, we can give obj 2, and then we'll write the same code. And suppose 46. Now, if we run the code, then 45 by 46. Okay, 45, 46. So when I have created the first object obj, the pointer this pointer points to that object. But when I created the next object obj2, this pointer points to the second object obj2. I'm very sorry, this will be obj2, not obj. Now if we run, you can see the 45, 46. Okay. So this is the concept of this pointer. Now you can use the this pointer using dot operator also. For this, uh, you will simply follow the pointer guidelines like this. This dot and enclose then this in the first bracket. And again, if you run, you can say the same one. Obviously, this dereferencing the pointer and then the using the dot operator we can access. But this is quite you can say the complex syntax. So we generally follow the first syntax, which is this this row. Okay. Now I'm commenting out the remaining part. Okay. Same as. So this is the concept of this pointer. This is not too much used in our code, but obviously you should learn the concept. So thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.